because I asked the nurse. He said she is Christian, and he said she like arranged marriage.
Yeah, arranged marriage no problem. Christians also okay. Muslims also okay. Muslim Christians also Christian or Muslim changing maybe. But Quran, Salli, all of it. Husband of the Christian fee, how they be cutting, but Muslim Christian no cutting, but Muslim cutting. But no the masjid Salli, Quran. This lady is no cutting, one cutting. Christian other Hindu no cutting, only Muslim cutting. So cutting. YouTube checking the YouTube typing. My YouTube is all easy coming.
No come in my telephone. I make just video to upload in my YouTube. It's the hot weather.
Number changing, Vanessa, WhatsApp changing number?
Yeah, changing. Still changing.
Philippines India or Bengal?
I don't know. Shut up. No tell.
No tell.
No tell. We don't know. Let she be happy. By the next month, the government of Kuwait danger now. They will checking after amnesty. Next month will be finish the amnesty. Next month.
India June finish, June 17 last the NFR no ICAMA no visa. They go in the embassy as white passport. Go no fingerprint, only ticket to go. But 2 weeks, 3 weeks coming, no problem. But only Kuwait government good. Saudi same fingerprint 5 year or 10 year no coming GCC all block. Saudi, Dubai, Qatar kullu all block. Kuwait government no block. Kali go come back no problem.
Oh, that's why. Only that one, but until this because the finish of the amnesty Sharaf is July 3. July 3 that one. Finish July 3 problem.
July 3 finish Badan program. Another fine over. India June 17 last day. എന്താ ഒരു ചക്കച്ചക്കാരാണ് സൗണ്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ കേൾക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ ടൈമല്ല വലിയ സ്ഥലത്ത് ചക്കച്ചക്ക അപ്പോൾ അത് ആലോചിച്ച് തിരക്കി കയറാം. അപ്പോൾ അതിന് 12 1 മണി 1:30 അല്ല ദുബായിൽ എയർപോർട്ടിലേക്ക് കയറാം. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് 10 മിനിറ്റ് പോകും കട്ടാക്കാം. ഇവിടെ വണ്ടി ആളെ